The odds of another interest rate rise are now quite high after yesterday's strong job numbers from the ABS. Markets are now betting the chances of an increase are 50-50 at next month's Reserve Bank board meeting and almost 100% within the next 3 months. Now, that knocked some wind out of the All Ords, which slipped by 0.2% this afternoon. And over the week, it's up very slightly. Gold and tech companies suffered heavy losses today, while fashion retailer Mosaic Brands surged by nearly 19% after announcing it'll return to profit this year. So while its financial well-being has improved dramatically, the same can't be said for the average Australian. The number of households that are unable to come up with $2,000 when the need arises has jumped to 1 in 5. But those figures from the government are outdated and don't factor in the pandemic, surging inflation and 12 interest rate hikes. The government's wellbeing report also shows our disposable income rose to $959 a week 3 years ago. So while it looks like we've become 8% wealthier over that 12-year period, it's practically peanuts when you consider that inflation has surged by at least 26%. Now, in currency markets, the Aussie dollar is slightly weaker at 67.8 US cents. Gold is steady while iron ore is down and oil prices had a decent jump. And it was a mixed bag on Wall Street, with the Dow Jones rising for its 9th straight day. But the Nasdaq slumped by more than 2% after a plunge in Tesla and Netflix shares on the back of some financial results which were good, but not quite as good as what the market was expecting. And that's finance.